Hi guys, Anne here, and this is just a little video doing lip swatches of the Sephora Give Me Some Nude Lip Kit. So if you'd like to see some swatches of the products in this kit, please keep watching. Thanks. So some final thoughts on this kit. A couple of things. I'm a little disappointed in this. It feels really gritty. I thought it would be much smoother. I also don't really like the applicator. The brush applicator makes it really difficult to apply. I feel like it would have been better with a sponge tip applicator, just personal preference. I also thought this would have a little more color than what it actually has. It's actually pretty sheer and much lighter than I thought it would be. So I do like it, but it just was different than what I had expected, if that makes sense. Also, I do find that the NARS lipstick was a little bit lighter on application than I thought it would be. And the Tarteist lip paint, I tried to show a little clip there that this is really hard to get off. It dries down really quick and it's hard to get off, so beware that this is definitely a long-lasting lipstick. And finally, I really do like this Smashbox one, but it really doesn't seem to fit with any of the other products. It's not, for, at least for me, and it's not a nude compared to the tones and shades of the rest of the products. So I did like it. It just was an odd combination to be in this kit. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a little thumbs up down below if you like. And if you want to, please subscribe. I do hope to see you again sometime soon.